Where are you? There you go.
Okay, let's do some more here. I've got behind the door already, and I just want to make sure I don't get this all on the door. After a while, you're gonna get used to how much to put on, and I'm gonna squeeze out a little bit and just kind of push it in here where the paint was. This looks like from the other day, and because it's semi-gloss, should be able to get most of that off. I don't want to spend too much time on that because I'm trying to concentrate on the floor, so I can come back to that. Just want to try to blend in my marks. Trying to leave the door open so that it can air out a little bit. I've got the ceiling fan on, got windows open, air conditioner's off. I don't want any extra smells going all the way through the house. We're not really adding any more stain, so it should be okay. Now see in the front here, that's where there was some tile, some porcelain tiles, some ceramic tile, and I got that on my channel too. It was kind of pretty cool how I was able to get that up. And I decided not to patch any of the nails where the tack strip was all the way around there. Kind of adds a little bit something to the floor. And if you look over here on this side, you can see where the tiles were from original, and I'll have to do the whole floor. If you look over further, you can see light lines. Now all of a sudden there's dark lines, and I cleaned off the floor as best I could in the entire area the same. So once this dries, I may want to take a little bit of WD-40 on there with a wire brush and see if I can't get some of that off. But you have to make that decision as to how you want your floor to look. You know, when it's done. When it's done, you can still go back over it a little bit. Just trying to get a little bit of the dark on the sponge and then put it over. Now see, I may have to get into that bucket and get a little bit of that excess. And I don't have much left here. Get that out, just kind of push that along here as best I can. Blend it in. That. You are your own master as to how this floor is going to look when you get done. Just using some cleaner, some all-purpose cleaner. So now I'm trying to blend it in over here to the left from before. No doubt you're going to get a couple marks on there from your sponge. Okay, if you get too many marks, then that's the time to rinse this out. These don't need to be rinsed out just yet, I can tell. See, I had a little excess on there, so I didn't really have to spray any cleaner. See, from that point, I can take this and go right off, go right off, go right off, where I haven't done yet, and blend it in if that works out better for you. See, I've got this little section because I did this floor working this way, so I've got to come back this way, and that's why you want to do your whole floor in one go. Don't try to do half your floor and then the next day say, oh, I'll do the next half. You might find that it's harder to blend in where you stopped and started. Okay.